Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay Channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox 6.1.6 on Windows 10 along with the extension pack also. Oracle VirtualBox, it is a virtualization software that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your host operating system without having the need to dual boot your computer. VirtualBox supports both 32-bit and 64-bit versions of the various operating systems currently available. Some of the prerequisites for this is, in these days most of the processors both from Intel and AMD comes with CPU based virtualization technology. The advantage is that CPUs with virtualization technology have new instruction to control virtualization with them. Controlling software that's called virtual machine monitor that can be simpler, thus improving performance compared to the software based solutions. When the CPU has support to virtualization technology, the virtualization is said to be hardware based or hardware assisted also. Okay. So both VMware Workstation and Oracle VirtualBox take the advantage of virtualization technology to improve the performance. But with VirtualBox, to use CPU based virtualization technology has to be enabled through BIOS for Intel based processors. But for AMD it is not necessary. It is already enabled. Please refer to some of the other my videos to know more about the virtualization. Some of the supporting operating systems on this Oracle VirtualBox is, you can go to the official page to see the list of operating systems which are supporting for this Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, let us start how to download VirtualBox and how to install also. In the first step, we have to download first VirtualBox. For that, we have to open one of the browser and then we can download VirtualBox from the official Oracle VirtualBox website. VirtualBox can be installed in Linux based operating systems also, such as Ubuntu, CentOS, macOS and Windows also. Download the Windows version from here, as I will be using Windows 10 to install VirtualBox. The file size of the VirtualBox installer for Windows is around 101 MB. Then in the second step, we have to start the installation process. The file downloaded will have the file name format like VirtualBox, version number, build number, win.exe, something like this. Double click on the installer to launch the setup wizard. Click on next to continue. Then you will see custom setup dialog box. There is not much to choose from you. You can accept the default and click next. If you wish to change the installation directory, you can change it by clicking on the browse button and also selecting the new directory and clicking OK. Normally, I will leave it as the default as the whole installation process does not take much space on your hard drive. Then in this dialog box, you can choose which feature to install. As you can see, there is not much to choose. You can accept the default and click next. Normally, I will check create a shortcut in the quick launch bar and register file association. This dialog box warns you about setting up a network interface. What is meant that the VirtualBox will install network interfaces that will interact with the installed virtual machines and the host operating systems, which in our case is Windows. This will temporarily disconnect you from the internet, but that's okay, nothing to worry. So now it is ready to install. The installation begins. After clicking install, you will be mostly probably see user access control confirmation dialog box from Windows operating system. This is a security feature in Windows that wants to confirm if the application should be allowed to proceed with the installation process. Click yes to continue and you will see that installation process will begin. Wait for the installation to complete. Then after the installation completes, you will see installation completion dialog box. Click to finish. If you leave Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation checked, VirtualBox will launch automatically. If you uncheck it, you will have to launch VirtualBox manually. It's not big deal. Click Finish to exit installation. Then your newly installed VirtualBox will ready to go. You can search for VirtualBox in Windows search in taskbar also. You will see the VirtualBox icon on the desktop also. Click that to open VirtualBox. After the installation of VirtualBox is complete, please install VirtualBox extension pack also. The extension pack is necessary for supporting the USB 2.0, USB 3.0 devices, VirtualBox RDPs, that is remote disk protocols, disk encryptions, NVMe and PXE boot for Intel cards also. VirtualBox extension pack, it can be downloaded from here, that is from the same website, that is official website. Look for the extension pack on the page. Click on all supported platform to start the download process. The name of the file will be something like Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack and around 10.5 MB in size. To install the extension pack, open the VirtualBox, go to the file, preference, then extensions, add new package, that is click on the plus sign and browse to the downloaded file and then click install. The installation will start and wait for the process to complete. You will see the installation complete message. Click on the OK to exit. That's it, you are done. So now after the installation of this Oracle VirtualBox, now we have to install any other operating systems like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 2000 or Windows 10 itself or also Windows 11. Any operating system on this virtual machine and also without disturbing your existing operating system also. This is the benefit of installing the VirtualBox and to show the installation process and all the steps for the viewers. Okay. So in the next video, I will show how to install Windows 10 or Windows 11 on this VirtualBox. So please wait for my next video. And friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.